The square QRST is made up of two rectangles and a square. The ratio of the area of rectangle A to the area of rectangle B is 5:3. That is A is to B. The ratio of the area of rectangle B to the area of square C is 2:3. Okay, we can clearly see, right, there is a common repeated identity, right, between the two ratio. That is the area for B. Okay, that is repeated. The area of square QRST is 625 square cm. Find the breadth of a rectangle B. That will be at the bottom over here. Okay, so we are given A is to B area, that will be 5:3. We are also given B is to C, that is 2:3. So what we need to do is make B the same, because B's area is the same, right? You cannot have 3 here and 2 here, cannot be different in numbers. So we ensure that they are the same. So we push it to 6. So times 2 here, times 3 here. So when that happens, we will have 10:6. And then over here we'll have 6:9. And then we can write A is to B is to C. 10:6:9. Alright, and these three shapes, they make up the total area of the bigger square. That will be 625 square cm. How many units is that? We can find the total units. 10 plus 6 plus 9. That will be 25 units in total in terms of its area. 10 plus 6 plus 9, 25 units. Okay, so 25 units is the area of the entire big square, which means we can figure out what is the area of B, what is the area of C, what is the area of A as well. Because 25 units will be equals to 625 square cm. We can find 1 unit. 625 divided by 25. (25 square cm). And we can find the area for A. That will be 10 units. 25 times 10, 250 square cm. We can find area of B as well. That will be 6 units. 25 times 6, 150 square cm. And we can also find the area of C as well. That will be 9 units. 25 times 9, 225 square cm. Okay, so let's fill up inside the diagram itself the area for A, B and C. So A will be 250 square cm, B will be 150 square cm, and C will be 225 square cm. Okay, now in order to find this question mark, we have the area of B, right? So what we need to do is to try to find this length of B. I repeat, we need to find the length of B. Because once we do that, we take 150 divide by that length, we can find the breadth. Okay, so how do we find this question mark? We need to use the big area of this square, which is 625. Okay, this entire thing is 625, which means that one length of the square over here will be square root of 625. That will be 25 cm. Okay, or you can ask yourself, what times what gives you 625? 25 cm in this case. Okay, now fantastic, you already have the 25 cm. You just now only need this green length. Once you find the green length, you take 25 minus the green length, you get the question mark. Alright, and bear in mind, we have a big circle, which means over here at the top will also be 25 cm. Which means the green length over here, or the breadth, of area A will be equals to 250 divided by 25, that will be 10 centimeter. So over here, 10 cm, which means the question mark will be 25 minus 10, that will be 15 cm. And we are able to now find the breadth of B. That will be 150 divided by 15, which will give us an answer of 10 centimeter. Final answer for this question, 10 cm.